Hi, welcome back to Storybook Crochet. For today's video, we're going to be making the 3 to 6 months baby hat. So for this video, you're going to need an H hook. You're going to need some scissors, a yarn needle, and then I love this yarn from Hobby Lobby. For the project today, I'm going to be using brown. There will be a part 2 to this video where we will be making some little teddy bear ears to put on our hat. So you'll want to stay tuned for that. So go ahead and grab all your supplies and we'll get going. Okay, before we get going, I just wanted to mention that you can buy the PDF version of this pattern plus sizes preemie through 6 to 12 months on my Etsy and my Ravelry shops. So if you would prefer the PDF version of this pattern, you can head over to those in the description, those links in the description below to get a copy of the pattern. Alright, so let's grab our yarn and our hook and we will get going on this pattern. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to make a magic ring. And then in that magic ring, you're going to make 8 half double crochets. So I just chain 1 there and then make your 8 half double crochets in the circle. Alright, once you have those 8 made, you're just going to pull on that string so that that circle is completely closed. And then we're going to make a slip stitch into the very first half double crochet that we made and then chain 1. And you will do that slip stitch and chain 1 at the end of every round. Okay, so after round 1, you will have 8 half double crochets. So for round 2, we're going to half double crochet increase all the way around. So we're going to put, starting in that first stitch where you made your chain, you're going to make 2 half double crochets in that one stitch. So 1 and 2, and then you're going to put 2 half double crochets in every stitch around. So by the end of round 2, you will have 16 half double crochets made. Okay, so after you get your 16 made, do your slip stitch and your chain 1. Alright, so that's the first 2 rounds. So round 3, we're going to do 1 half double crochet in the first stitch and then increase in the second stitch. And we're going to repeat that pattern all the way around. So make your first half double crochet in that same stitch as your chain. And we're just going to put 1 half double crochet in that first stitch. Then we'll put 2 half double crochets or an increase in the second stitch. Okay, so again we're going to repeat that. So we're going to put 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 2 half double crochets in the stitch after that. So 1 and then increase. And you'll just repeat that around. At the end of round 3, you will have 24 total half double crochets made. I will meet you at the end of that round and we will begin round 4. Okay, so moving on to round 4, we're going to basically do the same type of pattern, but we're going to put 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in the second stitch, and then you'll increase or put 2 half double crochets in the third stitch. Okay, so 1, 1, and then 2. Then you're just going to repeat that around. So 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and then increase in the third stitch. And you're just going to repeat that all the way around until the end of round 4, where you will have a total of 32 half double crochets. I will meet you at the end of this round. Alright, so again, after round 4, we have a total of 32 stitches made. So for round 5, we're going to just keep repeating that pattern, but this time we're going to do 3 half double crochets in a row. So 1, 2, and 3, and then you'll increase in that 4th stitch. So again, 1, 2, 3, and then increase in the 4th stitch. At the end of row 5, you will have a total of 40 half double crochets made. I will see you at the beginning of round 6. Okay, moving on to round 6, we're going to do 4 half double crochets and then increase in the 5th. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you'll increase in that 5th stitch. Alright, so again, after round 6, you'll have 48 total stitches made, and I will meet you at the end of this round. Okay, so round number 7 is going to be our last increase round, and we're going to do 5 half double crochets and then increase in the 6th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then increase in that 5th stitch. So go ahead and finish this last increase round. You will have a total of 56 half double crochets around, and then I'll show you how to measure the crown of the hat to make sure it's close to what we need to be measurement wise. So I will see you at the end of this round. Okay, so we have finished our increase rounds, so you can measure to see if this matches what it needs to be. So you're going to want your crown to be a measurement of 5 inches across for the 3 to 6 month size. And I do include a chart in the written pattern for all the sizes, so you'll know what size the crown needs to be, the height of the hat, and the circumference of the hat, so that you can measure those as you make them. Alright, so since we're finished with our increase rounds, we're just going to half double crochet 1 in each stitch all the way around for a total of rounds 8 through 16. So you're just going to put 1 half double crochet in each stitch all the way around, and this will build up the height of the hat for us. So that's all you do for those. So again, that's rounds 8 through 16. So I will meet you at the end of round 16, and again, you should have 56 stitches per round. So rounds 8 through 16, and I will meet you at the end of that, and we'll do our last round. Okay, at this point you should have all your 16 rounds made. So we have 1 round to go, and we're going to make kind of the edging or trim to the bottom of the hat. So we're still going to be using the half double crochet, but we're going to be going around the post of the previous round. So we're not going to be going in the top stitches. So you're going to want to yarn over, and you're going to go underneath that first post of the last round. Grab your yarn and pull it through, and then make your half double crochet. Okay? Okay, for the next one, instead of going under like that, we're going to go behind the row, and we're going to put our hook in front of that stitch. So it'll look like this. You'll kind of see your hook peeking through there. You're going to grab your yarn, pull it through, and make your half double crochet. This is called front post and back post half double crochets. So I'm going to slowly show you a few more, and then you'll just want to repeat that all the way around. Okay, so your edging should start to look like this, and it kind of just like cinches it in a little bit on that last round. So go ahead and repeat that pattern all the way around. So a front post half double crochet and a back post half double crochet until you get to the end, and then we will finish off our hat. Okay, so we have finished our last round, so let's go ahead and cut our yarn, and then you just go ahead and weave those in. I'll show you how to measure the height of the hat real quick. So this should be a total height of 5.5 inches. So you're just going to want to measure from the very top. Okay, so that's about 5.5 inches tall for the height for the 3 to 6 month. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can see the next video for this, where we'll be making some little teddy bear ears to go on our hat. So thank you for joining me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below what color you made your hat, and I will see you in the next video.